Hey everybody, I just want to come down really quickly this morning and show you guys what the starter looks like before I switch jars and add some more flour and water. Look at the bubbles. So this is our dry sourdough starter that a lot of you guys were sent. Just want to show you. This is day, what is this, day 4? Look at that. Oh no, day 5, sorry. So there's bubbles in the top. There we go. Bubbles in the top. And it's looking really good. It's nice and lightweight. It's coming out perfectly, you guys. Just want to show you. So let me know how many of you guys have started your starter and what it looks like. Send me pictures if you can to thecanningnana@gmail.com. I want to see all of you guys do your sourdough starters. Pretty cool, right? You guys will be making sourdough bread and sourdough pancakes and waffles really soon here. And I will be showing you some cool recipes on how to use this. It smells amazing, you guys. It's perfect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed and join our channel here. We do a lot of fun things and we're going to be doing a huge giveaway coming up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.